Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Baljit. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to a completely free and open source download manager for Windows. This tool help you to download large files quickly and efficiently. Also, it is a better alternative of IDM, which is paid after 7 days of trial. So, before starting the video, a quick note. So, without getting any delay, let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
So guys, first you have to open the browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use any browser which have on your system. And here search for AB Download Manager. Enter it. And you guys see first is the official website of AB Download Manager and click on it. Guys, once you are on the official site, you can read all the information provided by the developer. And I encourage you to review this information before using this tool. So if you want to get the source code of this app, you can go to simply click the GitHub button and you guys see here is the source code of this app. So good. For download, you have to click on get app on the official site. Here click on get app and here choose platform. If you are on Linux, click on Linux, and on Windows for Windows. And then you have to select download method. So I am using exe method. You can use any method, zip or exe. So click for exe. See here download starts, and till it's download you have to download the browser extension for better use. I am using this for Chrome. Click on it and add this Chrome AV download manager extension, add on my Chrome extensions. Once it done, you will get to know. You guys see here, see extension is added AB download manager. Good. Once the app is download, you have to open the folder path as you normally done. After that guys, you have to run this as administrator, and then guys here you have to click on next. Again then you have to click on I agree, and you guys have to create the shortcut icon. You guys see desktop shortcut, click. If you don't want on the desktop icon, so simply don't click here. I want, so I click it and install. See our installation is started. I am increased the speed of my videos so that we have to save our time. And guys see this is completed, and now I have to click on next and then finish it. Good. Close it, close the Chrome, and you guys see AB download manager is started. So guys, now open AB download manager, and on app interface on the left side you see a file types for the download. In toolbox you guys see a very useful buttons like resume, pause, start QE, stop all, and other settings like to use this app. You can see here like theme, language, and so on. And here in the menu you guys see there are options to explore file, new download, task, tools, helps. Guys, you can download from here by click on new download, and if you have the download link then paste it here and simply click on download. For to show you I am going to download something from Chrome like search for NVIDIA driver down, and then guys go to this official site of NVIDIA drivers. I am just show you how to download by AB download manager from any app. So I am going to download this app. You can see here is download button, and clear here click on download, and you guys see AB download manager automatically open, and you guys see here is download button. You can also choose the path where this is located and then click on download. Guys, from my opinion, this is the better and very good alternative of IDM. If you cannot afford IDM, so I prefer to use AB download manager. So guys, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with others so that other can benefits too.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.